Mga kapuso, it's Biz Talk time! This morning, atong makachikahan ang usa sa mga mubida sa newest afternoon prime series nga The Fake Life. Walay lain kundi si Sid Lucero. Maayong buntag, Sid, at welcome back dito sa At Home with the GMA Regional TV. How are you going to describe your morning?
Hello, Abby. Maayong buntag. Thank you so much for having me here. The morning's great. Perfect way to start it. Thank you.
Sid, marami din tayong mga kapuso na gustong malaman kung ano ba ang sikreto mo in maintaining a fit and healthy body.
Oh, recently lang yun. I just engage myself in a lot of sports. It doesn't matter kung kaya ko ba yan or marunong ba ako. I'll learn it and then I'll just throw myself at it any time of the day.
You will also be a part of a new GMA Afternoon Prime series. Please tell us more about your role here.
That's right. So I'm going to be part of another afternoon show at GMA. It's going to be, it's called The Fake Life, and the character I play there is Mark. He is basically someone from the main character's past that comes back and hunts, especially our female protagonist, and then kind of stirs things up. So ako yung gulo.
Anong challenges ang na-encounter mo while portraying this role at may mga scene bang nahirapan ka to shoot?
No naman, pero honestly, like the hardest thing about our setup now because of the lock-in is the lock-in itself. In terms of sa shoot, if I'll be honest with you, nahihirapan ako is with the dialogue because it's an afternoon show and the certain way that the dialogue is written, there's a lot of details that they put in every sequence, and you'll have to be able to tell the story in so little time pa with so many characters, which makes the flow, at least to me, hindi ako sanay sa ganun na flow. It makes it hard. It makes it harder. But at the same time, yun din yung challenge. Kaya ako siya gustong gawin.
Ano naman ang bonding moments mo with your co-actors off-cam?
Oh, that's easy. I'm naturally makulit naman. But I think the common denominator that bonds us all in between takes is food. So what we do is if ever it's a long day, we'll order food and just lift each other's spirits up, including the crew when it comes to food.
What are the things that you think our viewers will learn from The Fake Life?
Ooh, marami. I wish it's hard. It's easy to say, but it's hard to do. I wish that this show, at least from my point of view, I wish that people would see that many people, everybody has their own baggage. They all have their own baggage. And then sometimes may mga pagkakataon when we're just going about our days na puputukan tayo ng katrabaho, or kapamilya, or kaibigan, kaklase. And it's easy for us to retaliate and go, ano ba, bakit ba? But we don't really know exactly what's going on with them. Baka may nangyari during the day, or baka may binubuhat sila ilang taon na pala. Diba? So let's not be too quick to judge. And maybe instead of talking, we can listen.
Finally, invite our kapuso here in Mindanao na abangan ang bago mong serye na The Fake Life.
Hey guys, my name is Sid Lucero and I'm personally inviting all of you to watch this, the newest show that GMA has. It's going to be in the afternoon around 4:30. It's going to be pre-airing on June 6th. I hope na panoorin nyo lahat. It's called The Fake Life. It's starring Ariel Rivera, Beauty Gonzalez, Ms. Techi Algoyani, and myself, and maraming pang iba. This is headed by Direct Adolf Alex Jr. It's going to be a heartfelt story, and I hope that everybody enjoys.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.